With retail onion prices crossing 60 rupees a kilo in many centres ahead of crucial elections to the Bihar Assembly, the centre has practically banned its export. But the big question is, what is causing the sudden price spike? Is it due to crop damage or is it because of hoarding?
Onions almost unaffordable. Even in North Maharashtra, Asia's largest onion market, prices at a whopping 60 rupees per kilo. Same time last year, one could buy the same quantity for 15 rupees. The reason cited, hailstorms during harvest season.
फरवरी मार्च में जो क्रॉप तैयार हो गई, उस टाइम ओले गिरे और बारिश हुई महाराष्ट्र में.
But a look at the data suggests that crop damage alone cannot explain the massive jump in onion prices. Despite the damage as compared to last year, the drop in monthly onion arrivals at Laslagaon from April to July was only 13.55%, less than last year. But in August alone, arrivals dropped nearly 70%, pushing prices up by 400%. An indication that as the harvest season comes to an end, farmers perhaps are holding stock back. This could be because poor rains have raised fears that the next onion crop harvested in September will also be hit, creating a future shortage.
पूरे चीज में नुस्खा मतलब अभी बारिश नहीं है तो लाखों रुपए का इसके नुस्खा में जा रहा है किसान को. तो अभी नया प्याज आ रहा है ना बारिश की वजह से.
Nationally too, a closer look at the figures suggests a shortfall far less than is reflected in prices. This year's onion harvest of 189 lakh tons is only down 2.6% as compared to last year's 194 lakh tons. But experts suggest the amount of onions stored by farmers is not very much.
थोड़ा बहुत किसानों ने किया जहाँ बारिश नहीं हुई, ओले नहीं जिस गांव में पड़े, तो ऐसे गांव में का प्याज लोगों ने स्टोर किया हुआ है, लेकिन वो भी बहुत कम है.
It is clear that at the moment, though, the spiraling prices do not reflect the actual shortfall of onions. It is for the government now to negotiate how to balance the interests of the farmers versus that of the consumer. With Nikita Arora, Divya Vaidyanathan for NDTV.